Hi there, I hope things are good for you. By now, you are probably used to how I'm doing my videos. This is the fast forward version of Big Monkey's tutorial so that you know exactly what you're about to see in the next videos. I start by presenting you the materials you need and how to make the head. On the head section we have the color changing part. That might be a little bit tricky if you are a beginner. I do guide you with step-by-step instructions, and you might also be able to do it even if you're a beginner. You just need to try it. I would also suggest that you try the pocket monkey version of the pattern, because as a beginner, velvet yarn is pretty hard to work with, especially when it comes to color changing. I like to work with velvet yarn because I like the material, I like how it is for my hands, and also I've noticed people do like velvet yarn toys better because of the size and because they look like other plush toys. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, to click that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please hit that like button if you do want to encourage my work, and any comments on the pattern are really welcomed below. Head is almost done. We need to go ahead and work on the ears. This is face embroidery. That works up pretty fast. And now we can go and work on the inner ears and then on the outer ears. Join them together and sew them on the head. When working with velvet yarn, I don't like to leave long tails for sewing because I don't like to sew with velvet yarn. It's pretty hard to do that, so I cut my yarns smaller and use cotton yarn for sewing of similar cotton yarn color. Look at this beauty, I just like that face. Now I've started working on the body. Things are going pretty fast on a fast forward version. I'm not a big fan of sewing, so tail is incorporated into the pattern. Just chaining and going down. So in this pattern you need to sew ears on the head, head on the body, and then movable joints. body is almost done. As I said, no long tails because I'm sewing with cotton yarn. Now we can go and work on the arms. I start with the lighter color yarn. The arms even have a thumb, and then I change to the darker one.
절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step on the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어
Legs are worked upside down, so I start with the upper part going down.
Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까? Baby, 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까? 너도 내 맘과 같았으면 좋겠어 네 조금 느린 발걸음이 나는 좋았어 Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step on the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어 푸른 네 바닷속은 얼마나 깊을까 바다 가고 싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 옆일 때
And now we can go on the assembly part and sew head on the body.
Cause I'll be with you 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step on the bed Barefoot, barefoot 우린 같은 온도에 있어
Movable arms. I place pins where I want to put my arms and then attach them. And movable legs. Embroider belly, and our big monkey is ready. I'm looking forward to see you on our channel for the materials and head part. See you next week.